Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in your LinkedIn account. So if you want to log into your LinkedIn account, first of all you have to download your LinkedIn application. So open up your Play Store application. After opening your Play Store application, type LinkedIn. After typing LinkedIn, you can find the app and just install that app. And after the process is finished, just open that application and then tap on sign in. You have to enter your email or phone number and you have to enter your password. Just fill in the details, and after entering your email and password, just tap on continue. After tapping on continue, it will ask you if you would like to add a profile picture to your account. If you would like to add your profile picture, just tap on add a photo, but I would like to skip this process. So after doing that, you'll successfully log into your LinkedIn account. So this is how you log into your LinkedIn account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.